everybody, this is Shweta and welcome to this video where we're going to be talking about how you can become a digital marketing freelancer in 2021. If you're interested in videos around marketing, freelancing and entrepreneurship, don't forget to hit subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification. Also, make sure you watch this video till the end because I'm going to be sharing the most important tip in the end. So let's get into it. The first step to take when you decide to become a digital marketing freelancer is to decide the kind of service you want to offer. So digital marketing is a huge industry, right? There are tons of different things that you can do as part of your digital marketing journey. You could provide services around Facebook ads or Instagram ads, YouTube ads. You could provide services around social media marketing. You could do sales funnels. You could do marketing technology implementation. You could help someone with their product launches, right? So there are tons of different things you can do. The best way to start is choose one offering. Either, you may be running Facebook ads as part of your full-time job, or maybe you're learning it as a new skill. Whatever it is, choose one thing and try to get clients to help them implement that one thing. And once you have that in place, you can then keep adding more to your services. The second thing is to decide what kind of a client you want to work with. Do you want to work with the real estate agents? Do you want to work with local stores? Do you want to work with e-commerce stores? Or do you want to work with course creators, right? Whatever it is, decide on that one client. And of course, this could involve some trial and error because you might want to work with a few clients before you decide who the right type of client is for you. But eventually, you want to make sure that you're narrowing it down to that one client or one type of client so that you yourself can start excelling and become an authority in that particular niche, which will help you get more clients, and it will also help you provide better services to your clients. The third thing is to have a few basic systems in place before you start to go out and start getting clients and expanding your business. And that is 4 basic systems. The first one is you want to have a call scheduler in place so that you can share that link with your leads and get on a call with them, right? So the second tool is a call conferencing tool, which is like Zoom, and you want to have that in place so that you have a place to connect with your clients and have that video call in order to discuss projects. The third system is a payment processor so that you can collect payments from your clients. And the fourth system is basically a system that you could use, or a tool you could use to send out contracts and proposals to your clients. And you can set all of these systems up for free using free tools. So definitely have these systems in place before you go out and start getting leads and clients. Now, the next thing to do is create a very consistent and focused lead generation strategy for your business. So for example, if you're using Facebook groups to get clients, focus completely on using Facebook groups. If you're using LinkedIn, focus completely on that, because when you focus on one platform, you not only start building authority on that platform, but the consistency compounds, right? Because again, all these are social media platforms and they're heavily focused on algorithms. So in order to make the algorithm work for you, you have to post consistently, and you also have to be really focused on that platform. So you're putting all your energy into that one platform. So have that lead generation strategy in place. And once you do, the next step is to create a content strategy, because you want to make sure each content piece that you're posting on social media is helping your business grow. So have content themes for the week. For example, on Monday, you could post about client case studies. On Tuesday, you could post about a particular tip or tutorial, and so on, right? So having that content strategy really helps you stay consistent, which in turn will help you build your authority on that one platform. The next important step is to become a really good seller. So whether you're running a freelancing business or a social media marketing business or any kind of business, right, you have to get really good at selling yourself, selling your services, and selling your brand as a business. And the best way to do that is to get on as many sales calls as possible, because the more number of people you talk to, you're going to get better at it. And not only that, getting on a lot of sales calls will also help you build your network and build relationships with your leads, which in the future will help you get referrals, right? The next thing to do is to create a weekly schedule that you can follow. I know, it sounds easy, right? There are only two parts to building a freelancing business. You have to get clients and you have to serve those clients. But the only way to build a predictable stream of leads for your freelancing business is to have a weekly schedule. So every week you should know what kind of content you'll be posting on social media, how many people do you want to connect with, and how many calls you want to get on. If you have this system and you follow it consistently for like 3 to 6 months, you'll start seeing a lot of predictability in your business in terms of leads and sales and clients and eventually referrals, because referrals are the strongest possible way to get clients. Because if your clients are referring you to other people, that means you're really happy with your job and the services you offered, and they're going to help you expand as a business. The last thing, or the second last thing, is to provide really good services to your clients. Again, the goal of becoming a freelancer is, of course, to make money, but you also want to make sure that you're providing really good services to your clients so that they can refer you to other people. And, initially it might take some time for you to get into that process or workflow of how do you onboard a client, what kind of information do you want to collect from the client, what kind of services do you want to provide to the client, what is the timeline of a project, right? But the more clients you work with, the more you will kind of understand the process, and then you'll be able to create your own workflow in order to deliver the best services possible. And the last thing, which is also the most important thing, is make sure you have the right mindset. It's a process, right? Starting a business, it's a process and it takes time. And there are going to be failures, you're going to struggle a lot, there are going to be late nights, there are going to be tons of things you never expected will happen. And if you can, get through those things while, staying consistent and staying focused, it will really help. And you'll be able to, like I said, you'll have to stay consistent in order to see the results. So stay consistent for at least 6 months to a year, and you'll see growth in your business. You will start seeing referrals coming in. You'll start seeing your social media following increasing, and people will start seeing you as an authority in your space. So I hope this video helps you. If it did, let me know in the comments below. And if there are any other videos you'd like to see from me around starting a freelancing business or getting clients or setting up the right tools in your freelancing business, don't forget to comment and let me know. And again, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.